clean out my drawers. I organized this one. This one's sort of organized. That's me pulling everything out. This is unorganized. This is definitely unorganized. And this is unorganized. So, I'm going to organize all those, pick up pens, throw them away. And then I'm going to slowly go around my whole area. And clean up and organize and throw things away and sell a lot on Facebook Marketplace. Just gonna start. So the reveal of the new sewing room will be very soon, probably next week, but I'll have to cover up my little unboxing secret that you will see in the little clip here, what I'm going to be unboxing. Been trying to keep it a secret for, oh God, 3 weeks. Very hard to do. I can't wait for you guys all to see it, and stay tuned. We're going on a big, big adventure. Promise.
Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay.